There's a lot of misconceptions about hackers. Every person on this planet was born a hacker. Every one of us. They solve things differently. They try to create solutions. It's that innate curiosity of a child that said, this is what we're told it's supposed to be. Let's do something different.
Letting hackers into your system and then reporting the results is a very, very good thing.
Hacking can be very seductive.
Hackers don't create the vulnerability, they discover it.
We're importing hacked software from different countries because we're just not going to put up with this monopoly.
Pick a company that you think uses satellite internet. There's probably a 50% chance we saw their traffic.
The petrol was the spearhead and a tool for freedom. We, the entrepreneurs, the innovators, can create great change for the world.
They get up in the morning wanting to fight this every day. Why fight the little fight? Life's too short. Fight the big fight. What are they going to do, kill me twice?